Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Kearny Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I'm using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a www.kearnybank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Kearny Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on login. Here you can see the login form page of online banking account of Kearny Bank. As we are going to recover our password, we need to click on the link given, that is forgot password. Now to recover your password, here you need to provide the following details starting from the very first, that is your username. Then you go in for providing your last 4 digits of social security number. Then you go in for providing your registered email address. Here, after you provide all the details, you need to click on Being Password Reset, where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover the online banking account password of Kearny Bank. Thank you.